Hello and welcome back to Skill Ladder. दोस्तों आज करो इस कथ अकिस मुद्दस मुतलिक युस जन लास्ट टाइम अख वीडियोस बनेमुत जजीर टॉकीजन यम जन ट्विटर हैंडलस पे बड़ प्रोमिनेंट तमो वन यूट्यूब चैनल खुलोमुत तमो अख वीडियो बनोमुत हैरेसमेंटस पे सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट सेक्सिज्मस पे तो मिसोजिनी पे तो यह इनक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स फीमेल्स तो अजुक वीडियो यह बनाऊँ बह थोड़ा इंग्लिश अत मज कर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज यूज बिकॉज तमो बनोमुत इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मजी तो तमो कह फैक्ट्स मिसरिप्रेजेंट कर्म पे जन मे शरारत खोत प्लस हर कह पन पन ओपिनियन आसान तिमन पन ओपिनियन आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट बट आई डिसएग्री विद दैट ठीक है तो बह क्या डिसएग्री कर बह वो तुम तिम 6 पॉइंट तमो वन तिमन वन बह कि कित पे हेको तथ बह हेक डिसएग्री तथ कर आराम सान तो इसलिए बनाओ थोड़ा ये इंग्लिश पे सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम इट वाज गुड charity begins at home it's a good saying it's a good quote but you have quoted that we don't throw our children's in trash but in jail which is very pathetic to be honest I'm telling a whole lot of people whoever is watching this video we do not do such acts there are some miscreants there are some people there are some sick people who do that but not everyone you are representing your society you are representing Kashmiris so please and you are telling that this is not subject to only Kashmir this is situation all over the world so please don't use such type of language that we throw our children female children newly born babies into jail there are some cases 1 or 2 maybe 10 maybe 20 but that doesn't make 1% population of Kashmir okay so don't play with facts first thing second thing sexism in education there is sexism in education I can't deny that but you have to portray both figures both sides of coin which is male side also I have faced so many things like sexism in my college or in my school where you don't get good marks because you are bad looking where you get good marks because girls are good looking you get good marks because they talk well to teachers okay so I have faced that so keep that in mind also maybe some of people they will relate to it maybe some of them they will disagree it's okay you have your own opinion it's my opinion I'm just sharing it third thing casual sexism which you face in public transport local buses that's true but you don't have to play a victim keep that in mind I have seen a girl I was long back when I was in college 8 years ago or 7 years ago I was in local bus so what happened one person he was very elderly okay so he was groping one girl that girl she stood up she just slapped him and whole bus was shut okay silence that's called guts that's what I call woman empowerment that's what I call equality if a boy can do girl can also do irrespective of power irrespective of anything okay I you have to agree with me here that physically boys are very strong but that doesn't mean that males and females are unequal that's a physical attribute so you don't have to play a victim you don't have to be a kind of lachar that we are lachar we can't do anything we can't do anything with the society if you stand up you can do anything and everything after that you were talking about public services which to some extent I agree after that you were talking about work life balance so here also you played a victim card which again is very bad see there are so many laws in Indian constitution or in if you see companies act if you see organizational acts there's something called POSH, Prevention of Sexual Harassment in Offices or Organizations, which came into play after 2011 after Nirbhaya rape case. So what is in Posh that if a person, if he stares at you for only 10 seconds, if someone is staring at you for only 10 seconds and you are not getting good vibes, you can complain, you can lodge an FIR, or you can make a official complaint. Even if he's a CEO of company, he will be fired. And I have seen in Bangalore, I have seen this myself. The person, he was on a good post, he was on a top post, top notch post, but he had some problem with his conduct with girls, he was fired. It's that simple. You should aware people about laws, about and here I want to add up that most of the people, what they do, most of the people here, they talk on sexual harassment. Most of them are males. What you have to do with it? Stay away from it. Let girls do it. Because sometimes when some speaker, he's talking about sexual harassment against women, he's male. And what happens, some of the girls, they are shy, they can't express that what they are going through. But if they talk to a female speaker, they will be more confident, they will take away their shyness. And last thing is harassment faced or sexism faced online, which again, you have options. Don't play victim. Okay, don't play victim. You have options like you can go for privacy, you can keep your account very private, very personal, so that nobody can request you, so that nobody can even send you a message. That's an option over there on social media. Plus, if you are still annoyed, you can block that person. It's as simple as that. Don't use such type of things that some people use mashallah mashallah to get into your pants. Yeah, maybe there are some people, but not all of them. Not all of them. I respect women. I respect my mother. I don't have a sister, but I respect my mother. And my mother has taught that you should respect women. But don't spread this false information and the screenshots you use it. You didn't told that you didn't told your people because nobody sees that disclaimer. Nobody sees notes. They only watch videos. You didn't told that screenshots we are using, they are fake. They are just a fictitious thing. That was very wrong. And after that, some person, Niazi, Mujahid Khan, and Hisham Zad, they also made some videos, which to some extent, Hisham Zad, he was good. I don't know that person. And this Niazi Khan, he was terrible. I can't tell you how terrible it was. He was totally against females. But here, try to understand my point. Don't play victim. I have given several lectures on women empowerment in Bangalore, and I never believe that women should play a victim. You should never play a victim. You should stand up. There are so many laws, there are so many organizations. Plus, you're talking about charity at home. There's one more point I would like to add that our society, we are just developing. Developing in the sense we are developing in our culture. Our culture was such that male used to go to work and females used to cook. You can't change your parents overnight. You can't change your parents thinking, your parents psyche overnight. It will take time. We are going through a transition period, and after this generation, next generation will be much cooler or liberal type. Are you getting my point? So you have to wait. You can't blame each and everyone in our society. That's very pathetic. Uh, at last, I will say you that please always portray two sides of coin. Always show both sides of coin. And I don't have anything personal with Jajir Talkies or Niazi Khan or Hisham Zad. It's just a personal view which I like to share with my subscribers and my Kashmiri people, that don't misrepresent some of the points which you have used in your videos about misogyny, harassment, and sexism. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता सच में। Plus last thing, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel Skill Ladder. I make similar type of videos and my personal opinions, I shoot them up. And if you have any questions and if you disagree with my video, you can dislike it. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment on the comment box. I hope you enjoyed it and you got a good idea. Nothing personal here, nothing against anyone, against females or males, but I just kept up my point of view and just to clear the air on, we throw them on Jahlim, we throw them in Jahlim, sorry. So we don't throw our children's or female children's in Jahlim. Thank you.